How to measure your belt size. Self-guide. The most accurate way is to measure an old belt. Grab your favorite belt and your tape measure. Measure from the buckle pin, that's the metal prong, all the way to the hole you use most often. That number is your exact belt size. For example, if it's 35 inches, you buy a size 35 belt. Don't have an old belt? No problem. Here's a quick trick. Measure your waist or look at your usual pants or jeans size, say a size 35. So, for a size 35 pant, you'd get a size 35 belt. It's that easy. Remember, our belt size is the measurement to the center hole we often use. With multiple holes, you always get the perfect fit. Now you have your perfect size.